Assalamualaikum and greetings to Madam Wida and my fellow classmates. My name is Nur Shazrin Akila, and in this video, I will be presenting my topic, which is workplace safety. I will also be including the importance, benefits, and ways to incorporate safety in a workplace in this video. A work environment free from injuries and accident attracts employees. Employees are more satisfied and productive in such an environment. A safe work environment is essential for both employees and employers alike. It is the right of all employees to have safety in workplace. Workplace safety is essential regardless of the size of a company. All companies, big or small, need to incorporate safety in their workplaces. Well-implemented safety measures keep employees safe and also protect industrial equipment. It is also the responsibility and duty of employers to protect their employees and keep them safe. First and foremost, what is the need for safety in a workplace? They are occupational safety and health risk in every company. Factors affecting workplace include unsafe working conditions, environmental hazard, substance abuse, and workplace violence. For example, employees working in an IT company may have to work with faulty wires or electronics, whereas in a construction company, employees may be exposed to the dangers of operating heavy equipment. To combat these risks, employers should create strategies that ensure and promote safety in their workplaces. Employers should also learn the desired aspects of their employees in terms of safety and protection. This will help increase productivity and the quality of the products and services. Next, here are the 5 benefits of a safe and healthy work environment. So first we have, the safer the work environment, the more productive it is. Productive employees are an asset to all companies. For instance, productive employees can produce more output in less time, reducing operational costs. Next, workplace safety promotes the wellness of employees and employers. Better safety equates to better health. Healthier employees do tasks more efficiently and they are happier in general. Third, there are very few accidents in a safe working environment. This results in less downtime for safety investigations and reduces costs for workers' compensation. This also reduces the time needed for employees to heal from injuries. Last but not least, damage to industrial equipment creates costs for replacement and repair. Avoiding workplace injuries and damage to industrial equipment will incur fewer expenses and increase profit. Moving on, here are the ways to create a safe working environment. The first step is to be aware and identify workplace hazards. This is the first step to create a safe working environment. Employers need to identify workplace hazards and safety issues first. Then they must take measures to address them accordingly. Workplace safety hazards can include mechanical issues, dangerous chemicals, hazardous electrical equipment, and etc. Mechanical problems can occur at any time while operating machinery in the workplace. Also, working with heavy equipment is very risky and can cause accidents. If employees need to work with chemicals, they have to be very cautious. Dangerous chemicals can burn or poison employees. Inhaling or indigesting them can even cause death. Way number 2 is by implementing workplace safety programs. The first step in building a safety program is to get all employees to commit to workplace safety. One way to do this is to include workplace safety in the company's mission statement. It should be the duty of every employee to carry out the safety policies. Employers should also investigate all accidents in the workplace. They should all encourage employees to follow all the safety procedures. Moreover, employers should clearly state the hazards of not following them in writing. This reduces chances of making mistakes. Way number 2 is by providing proper safety training to employees. Training is an important part of every company's safety program to protect employees from accidents. Research shows that new employees have higher risk of workplace accidents. It is the lack of knowledge of workplace hazards and proper work techniques that cause this greater risk. Employers should provide employees with the necessary training to reduce workplace accidents. Employees should operate all equipment and machinery safely and adequately. For instance, employers should adequately teach the operation of heavy machinery to employees. Only trained or certified employees should operate such types of equipment. This is why it is essential to provide safety training to employees by only experts. Way number 3 is by using protective safety equipment. The usage of equipment worn to minimize exposure to hazards that cause workplace injuries is significant. Not doing so can cause injury or even death. Employees may have to work with chemicals, machines, electronics, and other potential work hazards. Employers must provide such employees with personal protective equipment, which is PPE. PPE should be safely designed, constructed, and fit comfortably. Examples of PPE are gloves, protective eyewear, clothing, earplugs, hard hats, and etc. Next is by reporting unsafe working conditions. Employees must inform any safety hazards or work risk to the management. Employers are legally obligated to ensure safe working environment for their employees. They must end workplace safety hazards and promote safety in the workplace. Next is by practicing correct posture. Bad posture is one of the main reasons for back pain. It is imperative to practice good and correct posture to reduce the risk of getting hurt. For example, if you have to sit for long hours, use specially designed chairs. Also, always sit upright. Next, reducing workplace stress. Workplace stress can cause many health problems like anxiety, depression, and etc. Job insecurity, workplace bullying, high workload, etc. cause workplace stress. Learn how to combat workplace stress and avoid its adverse effects. Workplace stress can have drastic effects on workplace productivity and employees' health. Next is by promoting regular breaks. Employers should encourage employees to take regular breaks. Taking frequent breaks will prevent tiredness and fatigue. This will further prevent injuries or illness. Breaks help employees to stay fresh and focused. Next, easy access to exits in case of emergencies. If there is an emergency, it is important to have easy access to the emergency exits. Easy access to emergency exits will reduce injuries and casualties. Also, it is important to have quick ways to shut down equipment in case of emergencies. And the last way to create a safe working environment is by using mechanical aids. An industrial job may need employees to work with heavy equipment. There are many injury risks involved in trying to lift and move heavy objects. Employees can use a conveyor belt, forklift, or wheelbarrow instead of lifting it manually. To conclude my video, a safe work environment is a feature of good companies throughout the world. All employees want reassurance of their safety and protection. Workplace safety is a critical issue. Employers should ensure that their employees are working in a safe environment. Management systems and business owners are responsible for promoting workplace safety. Employers should encourage employees to adopt safe practices and use safety equipment. They should encourage safety policies and safety programs. Last but not least, employees also should be aware of the risk of operating hazardous machinery. Thank you for watching my video.